Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix run button is not showing in Visual Studio Code, play not visible or working in Visual Studio Code. First method is click extension, type extension name. Check extension is disabled, click enable extension. If extension is not installed, click install extension. After enable or install, close Visual Studio Code. Second method is open Visual Studio Code. Right-click split windows, click Run Code. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.